We value training, we value everyone here. You're not an asset of our company, but we look at you as part of the family.
Guys, learn to love change. We are created on His own image and likeness. Kung create ka sa image and likeness ng isang God, dapat magaling ka, dapat may tiwala ka sa sarili mo.
Pero pag ikaw ay sawang-sawa na at pagod na sa sitwasyon mo, merong AIM Global na tutulong sa'yo para magbago ang buhay mo!
Grabe, payaman.
The more na mas marami kang activity sa pag-network mo, mas marami yung pwedeng maging result sa'yo.
All those things will be useless if we never put them in application or action. So, at the end of the day, to become bigger, bolder, and brighter this year, you need to take action.
Dapat laging positive ang lagi nasa isip ng tao. Kasi kung hindi, susubasog kayo. Through my experience,
Kasi magpapayaman sa dito, hindi kung ano ang background nyo. Ang magpapayaman dito, kung ano ang nasa loob mo. Kung anong gigil meron ka at kanong ugaling meron ka.
The day you want to quit is part of your success. Because if you are at the lowest point of your life, if you are at the lowest point of your business, that's good news. Because there's no way but up if you're at the lowest part of your life.